Start the new year in your new home. This 2/2/1 residence nestled in the quiet area of Forest Ridge in Beverly Hills, Florida community comes complete with living room, a welcoming eat-in kitchen with plenty of storage, dining room, breakfast nook, plus a generously sized family. Inside laundry, 1-car garage and storage shed gives you extra space to stay organized. This home retains the value of peaceful living while being conveniently approximate to shops, 1 mile from Publix, medical centers, restaurants, schools, the Beverly Hills Community Park, Skate Court, Central Ridge Library, and Beverly Hills Recreation Association. So, have you been waiting for that great opportunity to customize a home to your liking? Dreaming of an Airbnb opportunity? Lots of possibilities here to make this home your own. Property on public water/sewer. Many in and out of Florida have found this hidden gem called Citrus County. Here you will encounter environmentally protected regions and animals. A huge variety of flora and fauna for those craving the outdoors. Plus, infinite outdoor recreational options such as boating, fishing, scalloping, swimming with manatees, kayaking, canoeing, snorkeling, walking, cycling, camping, and much more. Don't miss out. Call today.